Here's a piece of advice that I think new lawyers and new associates can certainly benefit from. I learned this early on. We had a case that came out of a festival, a piece of equipment broke down, and it sent basically a piece of equipment airborne, and it hit somebody and it caused some really bad injuries to a client of ours. She ended up getting knocked into the ground. It was a surgical case, and I learned something from that. So on that case, there were a lot of defendants. We had the city, we had the fire department, there were inspections that weren't done, we had promoters, we had the owners of the equipment, the manufacturers. I mean, the list just went on and on in terms of people who could be found liable for it. Something to remember as a new associate, and that somebody told me, is when you file a complaint, every name you put on that paper usually has two lawyers looking back at you. And I just remember I had a more experienced lawyer tell me, he's like, be real sure about all of those names you're putting on there. If you've got liability and you can make the case work, that may be a good consideration for you because you're only creating more headaches.